Now here you see this is a JEE main question. Now I have reached to class 11. This is purely class 11. Earlier I went to class 9, then class 10, then a mixture of class uh, 10 and 11, and this is purely class 11. Limit, that means function. So here this is the function. So here continuous, that means limit your x tends to 0 fx. This is continuous at x is equal to 0. Then what is the value of alpha? This value of alpha, x is equal to 0. So because this is continuous, so let us move limit. This is x tends to 0 fx. This is x cube by here 1 minus cos 2x. This is cos 2x is equal to 1 minus sine square x. So 1 minus sine square x. So this is this here. Sine square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x. So this is sine square x the whole square. And this is log here log m by n. So m minus n, 1 minus plus 2x e to the power of minus 2x minus log 1 minus x e to the power of minus x the whole square. So this will be limit x tends to 0 x cube. So this is sine 4x, and here this will be log 1 plus 2x e to the power of minus x minus 2x, sorry, minus 2x minus log 1 minus x e to the power of minus x the whole square. So in order to eliminate this, that means we are going to take the help of limit theta tends to 0 sine theta by theta is equal to 1. In order to eliminate this, we are dividing this by x and into x. So x to the power of 4, if you take this limit, this becomes 1. And here we are going to apply L'Hospital's rule, that is L'Hospital rule. We are going to apply the L'Hospital rule. So here this is 1. So here we are going to differentiate the numerator and the denominator. So when we differentiate, so this 2, let this 2, 2, that means here it will be 2. So this will be limit x tends to 0. So if you differentiate this, this will be how much? 1 by chain rule, 1 plus 2 x e to the power of minus 2x, and here this is 0, and this will be 2 product rule, 1 e to the power of minus 2x, and again here plus x plus x e to the power of x. Differentiation of this will be minus 2 e to the power of minus 2x, and again here this will be minus different. We take 2 here, so 2 constant here. Difference again chain rule, 1 minus x e to the power of minus x, and here constant 0. So this will again product rule. So your product rule will be e to the power of minus x minus, and that means plus, that means plus product rule 1, and here this will this, and this will be x, and for this will be minus 1. So this becomes minus 1 e to the power of minus x, and differentiation of x is 1. Now, if you put the value of x is equal to 0, so Um, this will be 1, and here e to the power of 0, so this will be 1 and 0. So here it will remain here, uh, 2, here there will be 2, because 0, that means e to the power of 0 is 1, and here this whole become 0, and here again this is 0, so this will be, you take minus common here, so this will be plus, so this will take minus, this minus minus, this minus and minus, this will be plus, so this will be plus 2, here this is 1, this is 0, so answer will be 2. Mm, so I think so it is all correct here, but one thing I left here, that is this is uh, 1 cos 2x, so sine square x, it's okay, sine square x, uh, square sine, because cos 2x is equal to, this will be cos 2x 1 minus 2 sine square x, so this will be 2, so here this will be 2, so here this will be 4, so 1 by 4 is outside here, so 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 plus 2, this is equal to 1, so this is your answer, means this is the value of alpha. So here you see, this is class 11 level. This is limit. You have to take a little, not so tough, but a little bit you can say. So this is here we reach to the class 11 level. So such type of questions, limit, such type of arrangements, you have to do such type of rules. This L hospital rule, it is not included in your 11th course, but this is of graduation course. This theory is in graduation course. This is not in your class 11th class. So some type of equations, some chapters, especially some chapters that is about your conic section, in some and conic sections. Uh, some of these theories we have to take from graduate levels, but a little bit, uh, especially in conic section, and this expansion of sin x. Now, some expansion of sin x or cos x, these some expansions, these were earlier in your class 11, in your earlier in your class 11 level, especially in SEBA course earlier, say back, say 7 years or 10 years earlier, uh, when our SEBA, the books are CBSE course were before the CBSE course, but what happened here that in SEBA, uh, earlier they had their own books, and later on these books were replaced by CBSE books. Earlier in our SEBA, there were uh, different books. There were different books. That means different books in the sense that there were no prescribed rule from the board, as we have prescribed rule from the CBSE. There was no prescribed rule from the from SEBA. We were had to go for reference books only. So at that time, this uh, expansion of sin x, this expansion of cos x, these were included these were included. But later on, when these books were replaced by CBSE uh, books, so these all were eliminated, but these are present in your our graduation course. So I want to tell you that a little bit of your earlier course, that means earlier SEBA course, you have to also go through the earlier SEBA course, because sometimes while expanding the limit, we have to take the help of expansion of sin x or cos x. We have to take this help. So this is how we have to proceed to for JEE mains exam. So I have taken a step by step. And when you go for class 12, then there will be integration, differentiation. Integration differentiation is also included in class 11, but for a little bit higher differentiation, applications, and then vectors, three-dimensional geometries. Like that, you have to move further. But what I want to tell you that what you have learned earlier, this is also very important. So, like this, step by step, we if you move, then it will become very easy to to crack your JEE exam, especially in maths. So this is our institution, that is Saraswati Ganit Vidyalaya, and we have completed around about 25 years. And now our step is to teach the student step by step, so that they uh, so that it will be easy for them to learn. And at the same time, we have to solve the 3 years PYQs, uh, previous year questions. So our first objective is to teach the students the 3 years PYQ questions, uh, what are, how to solve it. So uh, with this objective, this video, I have made this video. Thank you.